I grew up in Chicago for the first 6 years of my life, where my dad was the music critic for the Chicago Daily News, and my mom went to the Chicago Institute of Design. So there was art and music in our house from the minute I remember anything. I remember we had these Skira art books, big glossy coffee table art books with color plates of paintings, and I would sit on the floor and just turn the pages and look at the paintings. And years later, my dad took me to the Corcoran Museum. I think I was in college, and he said, "Now come into this room." And he opened the door, and there was Franz Marc's Deer in the Forest, a wonderful Fauvist painting. And I burst into tears because that was my favorite painting that I looked at as a little girl, and my dad had remembered. He also took me with him to concerts and ballets that he was covering as the music critic. And I always wanted to be a ballerina. I wanted to be Maria Tallchief my whole life until I got kicked out of ballet school when I think I was about 9 years old. And the one memory that I have that he reminded me of was we were in a concert and I was maybe 5, and I was talking, and someone turned around and shushed me. A very stern person turned around and shushed me in the concert hall. And my dad later told me that that was Yul Brynner. So that's my claim to fame, is that Yul Brynner shushed me in a concert.